Okay. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, ma'am, but I'm not. I can speak in English, but not in fluent, ma'am.
Okay, as long as you can communicate with the employer, is we don't have any problem. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Are you willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to work now in Malaysia.
Okay, so do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I have one cousin there, but she's working at the call center company, ma'am.
Okay, but I just wanted to remind you that you come here to work and not to meet up with your cousin, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I fully understand, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, our profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I'm 100% agree, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I heard that Malaysia is free. Um, there's no violence against workers, ma'am, and have an extra pay for the when you are at the rest day. You can work. You have an extra pay, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your name?
I'm Irma Billionaire, ma'am. 43 years old from Philippines. I am a single parent with two kids, and my height is 5'1", and my weight is 50 56 kilograms.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first, Irma. When is your birthday?
My birthday is September 15, 1981.
Okay, what is your religion?
My religion is Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
So your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
You are a single parent who will going to take care of your children knowing that you got two kids.
My father, ma'am, and my sister.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and one sister, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the first one, ma'am.
You are the eldest. What about your father? How
Yes.
old is your father and what is his occupation?
My father is already 69, ma'am, and he's he's a jeepney driver.
Okay. So, it mentioned in your profile that you have a working experience way back 2020 to 2021 in the Philippines as a housemaid, is it?
Sorry, ma'am.
According to your profile, you have a working experience in Philippines way back 2020 to 2021 in the Philippines. Is it as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Housemaid, ma'am. No, ma'am. I have a small business before, ma'am. Before I go to Qatar.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any working experience in the Philippines as a housemaid, but in
I
Qatar,
have, ma'am.
you worked there for
Yes, ma'am.
2021 to 2025. You worked there for 4 years, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Qatar?
I'm all around now. I'm taking care of two kids, 2.5 and 5 years old. Doing their breakfast in the school, and then sometimes I am catching up with them at the school, and um, when they arrived at home, I prepared their lunch,
Okay. So while taking care of
washing the
these
dishes.
children, do you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what
I'm I
happened when you decided not to continue working with this employer?
Lately, ma'am, they are not good to me. The way they treated me, they are not. good. That's why I decided to go home.
Okay. So you know that being a domestic helper is a very tough job, right? It is not an easy
Yes, ma'am.
job.
I'm
But
aware,
I would
ma'am.
like to let you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
that Malaysia and Qatar is quite different. Malaysia is a very big houses. It might be culture shock to you, but I don't want later that you were going to compare Qatar and Malaysia. Malaysia, employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness, okay? And you need to get
Yes,
ready
ma'am.
yourself. You need to you need to fasten your seatbelt. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm
Are
prepared,
you,
ma'am.
okay, so are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, with my experience with my experience with my mother, ma'am, I can.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I can.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. At once, at first, ma'am, maybe I'm scared, but definitely I can handle it.
Okay, so can you cook?
I can cook, ma'am, but I only Filipino dishes. But I'm willing to learn, ma'am, other dishes.
Okay, so you will going to sign a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Qatar, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating a
Yes, ma'am.
contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead, you can hold your phone for or during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
No problem.
No problem.
Yeah, so I just wanted to make it clear and clarify before you come to work here in Malaysia so that you won't give us problem at the same time. We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come. Please don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's okay also. Better stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
At first, ma'am, yes, but when I second go back to Qatar, ma'am, I can handle it properly, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad. In Philippines,
Yes, ma'am.
you can do or we can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. If there is any problem or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Irma. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much and
Have
have
a
a
good
good day.
day.
Bye.